Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Norman Manley International Airport and we are going to talk about Emirates Airline. Now the government is trying very hard to get Emirates to set up their Caribbean hub in Jamaica. Now Emirates Airline is a Middle Eastern airline. I think they fly out of Dubai. And they are one of the largest airlines in the world. They fly some of the biggest planes in the world. As a matter of fact, a lot of the pilots that left when Air Jamaica closed down went to fly for Emirates Airline. So the Minister of Tourism has visited the Middle East, went to the Emirates, and he's trying very hard to get Emirates Airline to set up their Caribbean hub in Jamaica. And this is a quote from the minister now. The time is right for us to tap into the regional partnerships being created through Emirates and Jamaica is ready to be inserted within the future logistics of the airline to get more from the Middle Eastern market. This would be a game changer for the destination, said the minister. So Emirates Airline wants to fly to the Caribbean, and they're going to need a hub in the Caribbean where they can basically be their Caribbean hub where they can send all their flights, and then from there people can get connecting flights to other countries. Now Jamaica has, I was going to say 3 airports, but there are only 2 that could land, as of today, that could land the planes that Emirates flies. And that's Sangster International in Montego Bay and this airport, Norman Manley in Kingston. Now Jamaica has a 3rd international airport, but it's really more of an aerodrome because the runway is very small. It can't land those big A300s or A320s. And they have plans to build an airport at the old airfield in Maypen that could easily accommodate these big planes, Vernon Field, and that would be the perfect location for Emirates in Jamaica. They could have literally the whole airport for themselves, but their airport is not built, and it will be a few years before they even get that done. They also plan to expand the Negril Aerodrome to an international airport, but I'm not sure if that airport would have the runway length to accommodate these planes. So as of today, it would only be 2 airports that could accommodate Emirates: Norman Manley in Kingston and Sangster International in Montego Bay. So, but this would definitely be a game changer for Jamaica. Definitely. I mean, Jamaica has one of, if not the best, tourist packages in Jamaica. Everybody wants to come to Jamaica. And this would definitely open up the Middle Eastern market to Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is going on with Emirates Airline. Following fruitful discussions with senior executives of Emirates Airlines, Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett says plans are on the way to leverage the airline's routes and networks into the Caribbean and Latin America. Emirates Airline, based in Dubai, is one of the world's largest airlines that connects its customers to a network of over 150 destinations. Based on the airline's current flights to Miami and new flights slated for Bogota, Colombia are critical to better integrating Jamaica and the Caribbean into their network. There is also a medium-term vision of the minister to secure firmer arrangements with the Caribbean and the airline in the form of a hub creation. This is a further step increasing the connectivity between Emirates and the Caribbean as the airline looks to deepen its presence in the region. In the medium term, through a hub and spoke arrangement, there can be a fruitful partnership that would see more visitors from the Middle East visiting Jamaica and the Caribbean, and vice versa, said Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. Through strong code-sharing partnerships with other airlines like Avianca, Copa, and the Caribbean Airlines, Emirates would have several options of increasing its footprints in the region. The time is right for us to tap into the regional partnerships being created through Emirates, and Jamaica is ready to be inserted within the future logistics of the airline to get more from the Middle Eastern market. This would be a game changer for the destination, said the minister. Jamaica welcomed over 1,200 visitors from the Middle East last year as the island continued its post-pandemic recovery and growth. The Emirates partnership will play a critical role in enabling mass visitors from the Middle East to come to the island. Discussions on the possible partnerships were held during Arabian Travel Market held May 6th through 9th in Dubai, the leading global event for the inbound and outbound travel industry in the Middle East. Alright guys, so that's an update on what the government is trying to do. Emirates Airline setting up in Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.